bored.
You got that right.
This is useless. We're guarding something that nobody knows about.
Hey, don't do that. There's a reason no one knows about it.
Yeah? Why is that? I say we push it.
What? Are you crazy? We can't push it.
What does it do?
I don't know, but no one under any circumstance should touch that button. It's in the contract.
I have coffee. Here's yours, Mr. Boss Man, and yours.
Hang on. I thought I was the boss man.
Well, you're both my boss, so...
I'm disappointed. And hurt. I thought I was boss man.
Don't do that.
No, you know what? In fact, I should be boss man.
You little...
I'm bored.
You got that right.
Shouldn't we be doing something more important than watching this button anyway?
Above my pay grade.
Can I take a nap?
No.
What can I do?
Make a pass at the dame? She's not likely to notice.
I got a cup of Joe for the top banana.
Hey, sugar. You ration? I'm bored, but deja vu.
No duh. And how?
Never mind. There's like nothing to do. Like, where's the beef, man?
Chill out. This is an important job. Even if it is boring at times.
It's boring all the time. Gag me with a spoon.
What's your damage?
Come on, dude. Man, we were told this job was supposed to be righteous. Nobody is gonna press that button.
That's why we're here. But look, here comes the bimbette. This is always interesting.
I've got coffee for the kingfish. Here you go. And one for you. Oopsie, it appears...
No!
Working hard. Guarding that button, boys.
I'm twiddling mine thumbs.
How can thou be twiddling thine thumbs? Behold at this!
What does it do? I haven't seen this ad.
Your meaning escapes me. Methinks 'tis from the future.
I wanted to touch it.
Methinks that's not a wise idea.
I hast some wine for thee both, and I hast a little more for the bigwig.
Nope. I does not want to see that. This is a drag, man.
Right on.
This is unreal. I think I have seen this place, this panel, more importantly, this button before.
Something is way out.
So I haven't gone ape and I'm not on drugs?
No, but I may have gone ape.
What's your bag, man?
I love you.
Yeah.
I have coffee for the big and
No! Nope. This is wrong. Something is wrong.
Something's not right. I can't quite put my finger on it.
Don't touch the button.
I wasn't talking about the button. The button?
Get up.
What?
We're switching sides now.
Hey, that's mine.
Does the boss man want some coffee? I'll make some coffee.
got that